Well, pretty much we have a hurricane heading straight for us. Apparently, I don't know as long as it stays on the track they're saying it is.
Hurricane Ida has increased in strength once again, and the forecast is even more dire. The latest Category 4 winds are now up to 150 miles per hour. This storm is just hours from making landfall along the southeast Louisiana coast, and the current forecast is bringing the winds up to 155 at landfall. This is as big as it gets.
About to head over to my mama's house to go help her move some stuff around and whatnot. Got my uncle with me. Come on. Yeah, that's what I clean my. Well, y'all know what time it is. Go ahead, back us a look. Good old Cobra hanging straight like always. That's my pick-me-up. Give you energy. Alright, so I'm gonna get started on this thing and get this new ball going on. Hopefully y'all can see how bad it is. Joint ain't spinning with it.
There you go.
Oh, look at the brake on.
Hold on.
Alright guys, so I got it done. Actually got called in to go do some shit for work, but that's why it's dark now. Got it done and about to take it down the road, test it out. And yeah, because I might need it in case a hurricane does some damage or something. I need to get out of here, you know? This thing is heading straight for us right now, and it's gonna be pretty bad. But all we can do is hope and pray that make it through this in one piece. Ain't nothing little Cobra Head can't fix. This stuff will calm your nerves and get you going. You know, I had to get that fresh can, you know, that hurricane prep. If I die, I won't die with a dip in. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I'm gonna try to get as much video as I can during the storm or hurricane, whatever, and keep y'all updated. But I'll probably throw this video out there just in case, you know, the power's out for a while or something and I can't post a video. Yeah, I'll have something posted, and if you don't hear from me in a while, well, you know, the hurricane will swipe my ass away. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Hopefully I'm still alive, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.